To find cPanel in Godaddy, start by logging into your Godaddy account. This can be done by going to the Godaddy website and clicking on the Sign In button. Then entering your username and password. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture or icon in the top right corner and select My Account from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down to the web hosting section and click on the Manage button next to your hosting plan. This will take you to the Account Manager page where you can manage your hosting settings. Click on the cPanel Admin button to access your cPanel dashboard. Alternatively, you can also access cPanel directly by going to the Godaddy website and clicking on the My Account button. Then selecting Web Hosting and clicking on the Manage button next to your hosting plan. From there, click on the cPanel Admin button to access your cPanel dashboard. In cPanel, you can manage your website files, databases, and email accounts. You can also install new software and scripts, and configure your website settings. To navigate the cPanel interface, use the search bar at the top to find specific features or click on the icons to access different sections. Some key features to explore in cPanel include the File Manager, where you can upload and manage your website files, and the Email Accounts section, where you can create and manage email accounts associated with your domain. You can also use the phpMyAdmin tool to manage your databases and the software section to install new scripts and applications. By following these steps, you can easily find and access your cPanel in Godaddy and start managing your website and hosting settings. Remember to explore the different features and sections in cPanel to get the most out of your hosting plan and to keep your website running smoothly.